conventions. Present perfect verb tense. Past participle. 8th grade skill level, question 7. Memedicine, antidote your ignorance. Show some love and throw some bands on my Cash App. Cash App, hashtag, $memedicine. Keep me fuel. I can continuously provide you with these bills. Keep you in the know and up your knowledge game. Be sure to subscribe. English Foundation, verb tense, question 7. Complete the sentence with the present perfect form of the verb. Haley blanked many exotic dishes at restaurants around the world, but her favorite food is still Chicago-style deep dish pizza. The task here is to shift the tense of eat to its present perfect verb form. The perfect tense describes completed actions. Another way of saying this is the perfect tense usually tells about something that has, had, or will have happened. To form the perfect tense, use a form of the helping verb to have with the past participle of the main verb. The past participle of a verb is usually the same as its past tense form. Its simple past tense form, that is. But sometimes the verb is irregular. The present perfect tense tells about something that has happened or has started already. It uses a present tense form of the helping verb to have, which is either going to be has or have. Note that has corresponds to second person singular subjects, and have will be paired with the first person singular pronoun I, the first person plural pronoun we, the second person singular pronoun you, and all third person plural pronouns. All right, so that might have been a lot to digest mentally. Check out these examples. The sun has broken through the clouds. Note that here, has is the second person singular form of the verb to have. Again, it agrees with its singular subject, the sun. Also notice that the main verb broken is the past participle of the verb to break. The past participle verb form of break is obviously irregular. The verb form has broken is the correct present perfect tense. Now check out another example. John and Erica have played the violin for years. Note here that have is the present tense form of the verb to have that is paired again with I, you, we, and all plural subjects. Here, our plural subject is John and Erica. So the present perfect tense have played correctly corresponds to its plural subject, John and Erica. All right, back to the original question, now for the solution. Again, the present perfect tense tells about something that has happened or started already. It uses a present tense form of the helping verb to have, which is has, H-A-S, and the past participle of the main verb. According to this rule, has eaten is the correct present perfect tense verb form. Haley began eating an assortment of delicacies in the past, so the use of has eaten is appropriate here. The main verb eat is irregular. Therefore, its past participle verb form, eaten, differs from its simple past tense verb form, ate, A-T-E. We have preceded eaten with the present tense form of the helping verb to have, again, which is has, H-A-S. Has eaten is the correct present tense verb form.